Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samatha Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to do addition of double digits with single digits, part 2. So in the before video, we have done part 1, few sums, now few more sums. And before the video, please subscribe my channel friends so that you will get more updates about the subject and you can learn it easily. Now coming to the sums, first one, 11 plus 3 plus 5. Hold the scale, clear the scale. In the tens place, you have to take 10 value, 10 bit. Coming to the ones place rod, you have to move 1. So, our value is 11 now. Next, plus 3. You have to move 3 bits at a time. Next, plus 5. In the ones place rod, you have to move the value 5. What is our value now? 10. And here 9. 19. Clear the scale. Come to the second sum. 12 plus 1 plus 1. 12 means you have to go to the tens place rod. You have to move 1 bit, that is value 10. Again come back to the ones place rod. You have to move 2 bits at a time, that is 12. And plus 1, you have to move 1 bit with thumb finger. And come again plus 1, you have to move 1 more bit, 1 value. So what is our value now? It's 14. Clear the scale. Third one, 13 plus 5 plus 1. So you have to move 1 bit in the tens place rod and come to the ones place rod. You have to move 3 bits at a time. Plus 5, you have to move 5 value in the ones place rod. Plus 1, you have to move 1. So what is our value now? It's 19. 1 9, 19. Okay, let's move to the next sum. Clear the scale, children. Fourth sum, 14 plus 5 plus 0. So I will move one bit in the tens place rod. The value is 10 now. Next 14 means 4 in the ones place rod. So what is our value? It's 14 now. Next plus 5. Yes, plus 0 means you should not move any bit. The value 0 means nothing. So what is our value now? 10 and 9. 19. Clear the scale, children. Fifth sum. 15 plus 2 plus 1. You have to move 1 bit in the tens place rod. The value is 10 now. 5. Ones place rod, you have to move the value 5. And now the value is 15. Next plus 2 means you have to move 2 bits at a time. And plus 1 bit at a time. So what is our value now? It's 18. Clear the scale, children. Now 16 plus 2 plus 1. Move 1 bit in the tens place rod. 6 in the ones place rod. So our value is 16 now. Next plus 2 plus 1. So what is our value? It's 19. Next seventh sum. 17 plus 1 plus 1. You have to move 1 bit in the tens place rod. 7 means in the ones place rod you have to move 7 plus 1 plus 1. So what is our value now? It's 19. Clear the scale. 18 plus 1 plus 0. So you have to move 1 bit in the tens place rod. It's 8 in the ones place rod. 18. Next plus 1. Plus 0 means you should not move any bit. So what is our value here? It's 19. Clear the scale. 19 plus 0 plus 0. 1 in the tens place rod. The ones place rod you have to move 9 bits at a time. 5 and 4, it's 9. 19 plus 0 means you should not move any bit. Again plus 0, again you should not move any bit. So what is our value here? It's 19. Okay, come. It's next we have 20 plus 1 plus 2. 20 means what you have to do? You have to move 2 bits at a time in the tens place rod. 1, 2. The value is 20 now. Next, plus 1. Plus 1 means you have to move 1 bit in the ones place rod. Coming to the next one, plus 2. 2 bits at a time in the ones place rod. So what is our value here? 23. Clear, children? Okay, clear the scale now. 22 plus 5 plus 1. 20 in the tens place rod. 2. 1 in the ones place rod you have to move 2 bits at a time. It's 22 now. The value is 22 now. Next plus 5 you have to move 5. Next plus 1 you have to move 1 bit in the ones place rod. So what is our value? 28. Clear the scale, children. 31 plus 3 plus 5. 30 in the tens place rod. 1 in the ones place rod, it is 31 plus 3. You have to move 3 bits at a time in the ones place rod. And 5 in the ones place rod. So what is our value now here? 39. Yes, friends. Now we have done with this video, and in the next video we will do few more sums. Okay, bye children, take care.